5 Best Carpet Cleaner for Cat Urine Reviews. Number 1. Roka and Roxy Professional Strength Stain and Odor Eliminator. Even your cat is well behaved in the world, an accident happens. You will have to deal with the cat urine once in your lifetime. Don't panic. You have the best enzyme cleaner for cat urine, Roka and Roxy Stain and Odor Eliminator to use. This odor eliminator has the bioenzymatic formula that is strong and works professionally by releasing the bacteria. These active bacteria work on remaining ammonia and eliminate the stain and the odor for good. The best thing about this stain eliminator that it is color safe and chlorine free. So, you can tell it is safe and gentle to use in any environment. You can use this stain remover on every surface anytime you want. It is safe to use on any carriers, boxes, carpets, furniture, and anywhere. You can use it in the laundry also. Just spray and soak the stain for 10 minutes, then wash it in the machine. It will come out good as new. Number 2. Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator. Are you wondering how come something that has been created out of orange peel can be used for clearing the odor of pet urine? Well, know that it has been intended to be used removing the far worse odor of livestock which smells like rotten eggs. Which of the smell is worse between these two is up for you to decide. But Angry Orange Pet Odor Eliminator is something you can certainly use for clearing out the cat urine stains and permanently eliminating the marking scent for your cat. As it is made from 100% organic peels, it is completely devoid of any toxic elements, so there is absolutely no danger regarding its usage at a home that has children. It is quite a versatile carpet cleaner for cat urine that could also be used at various surfaces like the hardwood. Number 3. Emmy's Best Powerful Pet Odor Remover. Do you love the smell of lavender? It's so calming and soothing that it has been used for aromatherapy, and ancient practitioners of Ayurveda have been used for millenniums. Other than the soothing properties of lavender, it acts as a great neutralizing agent for various hideous and staunchest odors like the cat and other pet urine. Emmy's Best Powerful Pet Odor Remover is quite an advanced pet odor remover and carpet cleaner. Its triple action feature not only masks the odor but also eliminates it for good. After clearing out the last bit of particles of the urine uric acid's crystals, it replaces it with a very gentle, soothing lavender smell. It comes with full refund money-back guarantee. Number 4. Trinova Natural Pet Stain and Odor Remover. Other than the awful smell that cat urine leaves behind, one of the worst things about pet stains is that the patches it causes to the rug or carpet in your house. But the little furry creatures that own us have little or no appreciation for such sentiment, so all we can do is to find a carpet cleaner that can destroy the stain and patches in the rug. Trinova Pet Stain and Odor Remover is such carpet cleaner which works well on cleaning out the pet stains naturally with its natural enzyme. Completely organic cleaner. Very gentle on the carpet. It works well on the hardwood as well. Kids friendly as well. 100% satisfaction guarantee. We think you'll love our product, but if you don't, just let us know and we'll refund your purchase price. Number 5. Bissell 78H63 Deep Carpet Cleaner Pro. Bissell 78H63 Deep Clean Pro is quite a well-known veteran in the market. It has been in the market of the carpet cleaner for long. But its real credibility lies in its ability to clean even the raunchiest stains in your carpet deeply. The carpets are something that we all want to keep as tidy and clean possible but often fails to do. The guilt has no match when we find it such a terrible condition. Bissell 78H63 Deep Clean Pro can save you from grimiest of the dirt and stain and bring the old glory days of carpet with quite an ease. Cleans deep in the carpet. Does not use any harmful chemical. Every Bissell purchase helps save pets. Bissell proudly supports Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. Our most powerful formula for tough, ground in dirt and stains. Removes tough odors.